pool view room at Cabana Bay Resort. This is Building 5 Americana. This is on the 3rd floor, so it is room 5346. And when you walk in, I don't know if you can be able to see, but you can actually see Volcano Bay in the distance. So we will look at that in a second. The room is carpeted. If you've seen some of my other room tours, this is the exact same room setup as Adventura. And when you come in here, it's totally 50s. I can't remember the name of this flooring, but it's like what we used to have at school growing up. So the single vanity, and there's a mirror and a blow dryer. And then as you come in here is the bathroom with a shower curtain. Very vintage. This bathroom is nice and clean. Nice tiles. And there's the toilet, and this bathroom has the toilet tub combo, but does give you a lot of room, and on the door there's a full-length mirror. And then we'll swing around here, and there's a closet. In this closet there's some extra bedding, a safe, an iron, a luggage rack, or luggage holder, and ironing board. And as we come through here, these are 2 queens, and above the bed are lights, and love the really kitschy kind of decor. There's a TV. There are 2 drawers. I'm gonna assume this is a fridge. Yeah, there's the fridge, and then the coffee maker, a table with the ice bucket. So at this table and chairs, there are more plugs over here where there's actually 2 USBs here. So there's 4 plugs, 2 USBs, and I think that's an Ethernet, which I don't even know if people use anymore. But that is here at the table. And then as we come in here, we have a little nightstand. There's an old-fashioned alarm clock, hand sanitizer. There are no USB plugs here. That's a regular plug, but there are plugs on each side. Telephone, sanitized, remote control, cool little pencil, pad of paper, a little drawer there. But this is really amazing because this is our view. So this is considered a pool view room, but as you can see, there's Volcano Bay right there. So this is the lazy river right here. There's the pool over there. I think this is a pretty good view. I'm pretty happy with this room. So there we go, that's our room tour. At the other side of the bed here, there is a double plug. So if there's people on this bed, there are plugs on each side. So there's the door. And this is probably the best angle to show you this, but there's quite a bit of room here as you enter. And then again, behind the door, we do have our shoes out there, but it gives you a lot of space to slip your shoes on before you actually get into the room.